Do you know that if you fix elastic to the waistband of your pants the wrong way, it can cause it to twist and turn like this later on? I am Abiola Balikis, the brain behind Al-Hilaal fashion, and in this video I'll be showing you how to properly fix elastic to the waistband of your pants. If you are watching my video for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button below. Let's get started. First, cut out your elastic, making sure that the length of the elastic is 4 to 5 inches lesser than your waist circumference. After that, bring the edges of your elastic together and stitch on your sewing machine. When sewing, make sure you backstitch as many times as possible. After that, lay the elastic on the positive side of your pant like this. Now sew round on the edge. While sewing round, remember to stretch your elastic to fit the waist. Don't forget that initially our elastic was 4 to 5 inches lesser than the waist. So if you don't stretch, there's no way the elastic is going to fit the waist perfectly. When you are done stitching round, stretch your pant like this and fold in once. Then you fold in again, making two folds and stitch round on your machine. If you find it difficult to stitch round directly like this, you can first use your pins to hold down the elastic to the pant. Now when stitching round, make sure you stretch your elastic to fit your pant properly. With this method, there is no way the elastic is going to twist or turn later on, no matter how many times you wear the pant or wash it. Finally, our properly fixed elastic waistband is ready. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my videos. Bye.